Hello everyone, good morning to all. Please subscribe for more videos. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is pledge, meaning a promise to do something. In Hindi, कुछ करने का वादा. Word of the day is whisper, meaning to speak very quietly. In Hindi, बहुत धीरे से बोलना. Word of the day is miserable, meaning very unhappy or not happy. In Hindi, जिसको हम दुखी कहते हैं. Word of the day is literate, meaning able to read and write. जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं पढ़ने और लिखने में सक्षम. Word of the day is miracle, meaning a wonderful event that seems impossible. जिसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है एक अद्भुत घटना जो असंभव सी लगती है. Please subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Please press the bell icon to get notification about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.